Good morning, everyone. How is everybody doing today? We will get started here in just a few minutes. Oh, I just went there. Right. And one last spot. All right, so it looks like we are just in time for the market to open. It's been open for a couple of minutes now. Let's see where we're at. Okay. So we started with an equity of 30,660 on Friday. Didn't buy anything, but at that point, our total invested all over time was $68,785. We made $22.36 that day, and that brought our total ROI about up to 3.42% and gave us a daily average of 0.2283. This morning we opened with an equity of 31,070. So roughly about $400 more. There was one position I know that I was wanting to watch because it was in the red and it looked like it was going to be stopped out. That was Met C. Yep, it got stopped out. No, not yet, but almost. So yeah, we're gonna get stopped out on that one. Looks like it's gonna be a loss of about $229. SIG's moving into the green. That's good. That's moving into the green. ZS is moving out of the red into the green. Workday moving further up into the green. Team is moving up into the green too. That's good. Snow looks snowflake. Snowflake. It looks like it's getting ready to maybe hit our take profit today. Carvana. That one's getting ready to move up into the green. That's good. Intuit, same. APO moving further into the green. That one looks like it's trading sideways. Had a little bit of a retracement, and now we should continue our upward trend. That one looks like it's trading sideways. This is one that we took profit on last week. Core and Main Inc. Incorporated. So we can get rid of that because we've already taken profit on it. Ross Stores. It's another one that's getting ready to, it's about halfway to its take profit. Expedia. We took profit on that last week. Acom. We had a bearish engulfing candle a couple days ago, a couple trade days ago. So it looks like it's moving down, but I don't think it's going to hit our stop out point before it continues up. There's another little bit of a retracement, not much. GoDaddy, that's another one we took profit on last week. Net, that's another one that's about halfway to its take profit point. Doge isn't doing so good this morning. Datadog. That's one that looks like it's trading sideways a little bit. We have a realized profit of 1,042. Now we haven't sold this morning yet. We have bought. Let's see what we purchased this morning. Yeah, there's Met C. Let's see what we bought today. DoorDash. We didn't buy too much of it though. Looks like we only bought 2 shares. $26 in the green, 6 are red. Take a look at the logs. Updated transaction. Okay, so it looks like we did clear Met C. Just not for us yet. Looks like we're still projecting a 6.73% by January 1st of 2024. Annualized, we're looking at 60. So for those that are not familiar with this application, it is the Stocks Bot, and it is part of Master Trade Tools Incorporated. Designed it. I've been designing it and developing it for about 4 years now. It's been extensively tested, and its main purpose is to give those that have busy lives, it's to give them their time back because they don't have the time to do the necessary research to make a wise investment decision. The StockSpot does the research for you, finds the positions, purchases the positions, monitors the positions minute by minute, and then sells um, throughout the trade day. And then it also sends you monthly and weekly reports. I think we should hit the 500 mark, 31,500 this week. Let's see, should have sold out by now. I know it's closed out for our other users. It'll be doing a market sell here. Yep. Yeah, that position didn't do so well. But one out of what? All right, well, this is the perfect example we can show you here. We can go to our open positions, we can go down to Met C, and we can close out the position ourselves. It's volatility. It should be doing a market. Of course, this is updating every 15 seconds. So let's turn this to 1 minute. There we go. That creates a limit cell though. Okay, that's gone. They can't all be winners, but the majority of them are. I mean, take a look here. We got, yep, see it sold. Um, Datadog that's a current winner. Net, that's a current winner. Shopify, that's a current winner. Com, Ross Stores, CAH, still a winner. IRM, AZEC, APO, Intuit, that's coming out of the red, so it's a winner. Oops. That one's coming out of the red too. Snowflake, Team, ZS, Safe Moon, or not Safe Moon, Sprouts Farmer Market. It's funny, they have the same symbol name as Safe Moon. Met-C, SIG. Oh yeah, we're gonna add Dash, DoorDash. Just guessing, but that's probably gonna be about where it's at. And our two right there. So as you can see, the algorithm does a great job of selecting the positions because I mean, there's the majority of them are in profit. All right, so let's look. Yeah, we're down 300 today because of the Met-C, but we've actually made some as well. Made 22. Nope. Nope, not yet. We'll get that back. The one that I'm watching the most is this Carvana. It's got a ways to go, but if we close out at our take profit, I mean, it's way up there, but if we close out at our take profit, we're looking at about a $2,000 profit. Yeah, it's doing a little bit of a pullback this morning. And get rid of that one because we already sold it. So yeah, it looks like we hit our support and we came back. Same with this one. Hit our support. Let's see how my other users are doing. Wow. Wow. That guy's up over 1,000 profit. And this guy's almost there too. So if you want to see the returns that I'm seeing, my users are seeing, sign up at stocksbot.net. You can try a free paper account if you want, or you can use real cash. Either way, looking at our current returns, we are showing a 0.14% average daily for a day trade account and 0.06% average daily for a non-day trade account, which is $0 to $25,000. Try it out. Let me know what you think. You will. It is. You will need to create an Alpaca trade account. Alpaca account on their trade platform, and then send us your API keys, and we will connect to your account and trade for you. We can't do anything else. We don't remove money. We don't deposit money or anything like that. All we do is we find the positions, buy the positions, monitor the positions, and then sell the positions for you. 100% hands off for you so you can continue your busy lives and still make a passive income. Let's see how my non-day trade account is doing. Started with a grand. Currently, we're showing unrealized of 12 and a realized of -3. It hasn't sold a lot of positions. That's why you're seeing that. Oh, but it does. Oh, I was going to say it looks like it's going to close out some positions, but no. It's currently in 3 positions. Still not bad. Average time to close is 7.5 days, so a week. We have closed 9 and we bought 12. First ones we closed were ones that were going bearish. As you can see, our take profits are much higher than our stop outs. Yeah, there's another Met C. Still doing good for being just $1,000 account. So let's take a look at last week's results. Business talk, here we go. 12.8. All right. So looking at last week's results for our day trade account, total deposited, we already know is 30,000. Total profit we made last week is $611.39. We purchased $13,237.66 worth of positions or securities, and we sold $12,724.77. At the time of this report, the value of current open transactions was $29,798.38. The total amount we had invested in open positions at that time was $29,739.47. Unrealized profit was $58.91. Our realized profit was $1,042.24. Our cash available for new positions was $260.53, and our current profit value unrealized was $1,101.15. At the time of this report, if we were to have closed out the account, it would have been worth $31,101.15. Looks like we purchased 3 securities last week. One was Met C, the other was SIG, and the other one was SFM. We closed out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. One for 8.7% return at $237.90. The other one for 4.69% return for $127. Another one for almost 9% for $17. 10% for $22. 8%, almost 9% for $3. and another 9% for $18.47. All profit. Taking a look at our non-day trade account, total deposited was $1,000 total. The total profit for last week was $12.22. We purchased $161.10 and we sold $150.88. The value of current open transactions as of the time of this report was $999.86. The total invested in open positions was $999.02, which had an unrealized profit of 84 cents. A realized profit at that time was $9.36. Cash available for new positions was 98 cents. And the current profit value unrealized was $10.20. The account value, if we were to close out at that point at the time of the report, was $1,010.20. We purchased one position, which was Met C, which we saw this morning, didn't do so well. And we closed out Shopify for a 9% gain and a $12.22 profit. So this is an example of the reports you will be receiving if you sign up. They're very detailed. And also we do have the transaction ledger you can use for tax purposes. Keeps track of everything. That is just insane. 0.22% average daily. Carvana, it's not bad. That one was actually at negative 200 last week. It's still showing a 19-cent change in the last 24 hours towards the downside. DoorDash is the one we purchased this morning, showing a 1.23% profit already. Carvana's got a ways to go to get to our profit point. But if we take a look at how it's been reacting, it's coming up right at our purchase price almost. for about $1 and, well, not even $1. 60. Yeah, actually, $1.50 below our purchase price right now. Our average daily return is $46.39. And our current cost to Alpaca for their TAF and registration fees is 32 cents up to this point in 16 trade days. So roughly 2 cents per day. Our projected ROI by January 1st has dropped to 4.7%, given our $300 loss today. And our annual is still showing as 42%. $12,851 in a year, or $1,437.90 in 1 month, or less than a month. Roughly a month. So that also just goes to show you, if you don't like the way that a position is turning, then you can come into the open positions page and just close it out. I mean, it gives you the ability to do it manually if you want to. $26 are green, 5 are red. We've already closed out one today. So my developers and I are actually going to be redoing the web page, the website, to look a little bit more commercial, a little bit more professional. I am not a front-end developer. I'm a back-end developer. And that's where my expertise lies. But it's definitely a minimum viable product. So it looks like it's already recovering from that loss. This video is also brought to you by Dubby. They are an energy drink company. If you don't like energy drinks that give you the jitters or have a really bad crash at the end, then check out www.dubby.com. They have some great flavors. This is the next one I'm going to try. It's called Dub Sludge. You may not be able to see it because there's that one. And I had another one here. My wife may have drank it. Oh, here it is. Galaxy Grenade. These things taste awesome. And I'm not one for energy drinks, but I like those. There is an affiliate link in the About section of this video. If you use that, I do get a little bit of a kickback. It's greatly appreciated if you do, but you do not have to. Just go to their website directly if you want to and try it out. Ooh, Carvana's coming up. Still can't beat that, man. Still can't beat that. 26 green, 5 red. And of all the greens, greatest is 171 profit right now. 99, 79, 40. And then look at our deficits of $2, $7, $99, and $1 and $10. I mean, the gains greatly outweigh the losses. All right, to keep this video underneath 1 hour. Actually, it's well underneath 1 hour. We got a little bit of a late start today, but as you can see, the progress, you can see for yourself, the algorithm is doing its job. It's doing a great job. It's picking positions that are showing a high potential for profit, and you can't ask for anything else. So come and check us out, stocksbot.net. Try it out for yourself. Get a paper account. You don't have to use real money if you don't want to. Just try it out. Let me know what you think. And if you decide that you like it, you can then use real money and start seeing some real profit. Um, I built this for you, so take advantage. Um, so, yeah, until next time, this is David Masterson with Master Trade Tools Incorporated. Happy trading.